Hello YouTube, what is up? I'm going to be showing you how to show a custom Discord rich presence with the help of these two simple programs. So the link to these will be in the description, and without further ado, let's get started. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is download and run Discord RPC Maker Windows. Now this method that I use is specifically for Windows users, but you probably can make it work for Linux or macOS. So go ahead and run the installer. And once it finishes installing, in presence name type whatever the hell you want, and make sure you're on client ID, and now head to the Discord developer portal applications, and I will put this link in the description if you can't be bothered to Google search it. So what you want to go ahead and do when you're here, make sure you're signed into the account you want to broadcast it to, just to be safe. Go ahead and click new application and type in the top line you want it to say. So where it says your app's name, I'm going to make mine Windows 10 because I wanted to show the operating system I'm currently on. So go ahead and create your app. Now once you've done that, go to OAuth2 and copy your client ID. So once you've copied that, head back to Discord RPC and then paste it in the client ID box. And now we can add images. So I want to add an image personally, so I'm going to head to Rich Presence, Art Assets, and as you can see, we'll have something like this. So when you're here, go ahead and click Add Images. You need to be at least 512 by 512, 1024 by 1024, recommended, which is what I'm using. Go ahead and add your image. You can add two images if you prefer. You can have a bigger image and a smaller image. I'm just going to have one big image, but I will show you how to do a smaller one as well. Change it to a name that's going to be easy to remember, and go ahead and press save. Now once you've uploaded that, go ahead and close Discord RPC, and then open it again. So head to your presence on the left, and make sure the client ID is correct. You should see something like this, and then go ahead and click on large image, and select which image you want to be large. So I'm going to have my 10, as that's the only one I uploaded. And here you can also add a smaller image, so if I put 10, as you can see, it makes a smaller version next to it. I don't want a small image, so I'm not going to add that one. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and put a description line, and also another description line, as you can see, would show up like this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And once you've done all of that, go ahead and press save. Now once you've saved it, I'll show you how to demo your status for one time. So go ahead and launch your presence. You might get a pop-up window, close it if you do, and I'll head over to your Discord client, and then you'll see your presence will be showing up. So this is really cool. It does show a little watermark when you hover over, but that's like fine. I want credit for what I've done, which is fair. But yeah, it does show that you're playing Windows 10 in my case. And if that's all you want, and you don't want it to show on startup, then you can stop the video here. So once you've got that set up, go ahead and click on the little settings in the bottom right. And here you can add some other things. So for show elapsed time, this will show the elapsed time next time you launch your presence. So I'll do that now. And as you can see, it now says how long I've been running Windows 10 for, quote unquote. If you want elapsed time, you can go ahead and turn that on. Now, if you want to have it start up with Windows, which is personally what I like to do, then go ahead and turn on Auto Start Latest Presence. This makes it so the next time you open the program, RPC Maker will automatically start the latest presence you've made, so in this case my Windows 10 one. So now we need to set this up to actually start with Windows. So what we need to do that is grab our RPC Maker shortcut that it created during setup, and this minimize Discord RPC.exe, and go ahead and open the shell startup. And in here, go ahead and copy the shortcut and the exe file. Now if you're wondering what the minimize Discord RPC.exe does, it's literally what the name says. It makes it so this doesn't show up every time you turn your PC on, which could get quite annoying. So when this runs, it just minimizes it automatically for you. And that's it. Now when you start your PC up, it will show this automatic status when you start it up or when you start it manually. And I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. It was kind of short, but if it was good, maybe leave a like, and if you really like my content, maybe give me a sub. Bye!